Nele Spohr from Project Management and Accounting at woresan is my interview partner today. So nice to have you here, Nele.
Hello, so nice to meet you.
So coming to my first question, woresan specializes in the production and development of cosmetic ingredients based on organically grown fermented cereals, plants, fractions, or seeds. So let us know, how do you produce the active ingredients?
woresan specialized in the development and production of fermented cosmetic ingredients for a healthy and balanced skin. Our ferments are clinically proven to maintain skin integrity and positively influence the natural skin microbiome. The range of ferments is very broad nowadays, and there are a large difference in quality between the ferments. We only use organic raw materials, which are supplied by regional companies to keep the ecological footprint of our products as small as possible. woresan ingredients are using a patent organic ecosystemic fermentation technology. By integrating natural processes into technical systems, woresan's ecosystemic fermentation can produce sustainable, highly effective, innovative skincare ingredients. The outstanding features of woresan are the type and degree of fermentation that the raw materials go through during the production process. While many other fermented ingredients on the market focus on fermentation with a single bacterium, woresan products are made through fermentation by a complete ecosystem. woresan does not just use single microorganism for its patent ecosystemic fermentation. We use a starter that has been cultivated for decades. This starter is characterized by its complexity and the diversity of the microorganism involved. This special fermentation process reflects the high quality of the end products and their unique effects.
Now a question to the answer, to which will certainly be of great interest to me and our listeners. What makes your technology outstanding?
The core idea is to combine the advantage of a reliable, reproducible, and efficient single-strain fermentation with the strength of better substrate utilization and resulting in a broader component spectrum of a multi-strain fermentation. Another main advantage of this fermentation technique is the ability to extensively control the environmental operation envelope during the actual production process. The complex operating envelope can only be achieved by specialized technologies. The process is automatically changing certain parameters depending on the multiculture and substrate used. woresan guidelines carefully follows and support these development processes through a program-controlled adaptation of the growth conditions. This allows the growth condition to be adjusted to remain stable. The main feature of production is the duration of the fermentation. woresan allows the different lactobacilli cultures to form a stable ecosystem. This allows them to produce secondary metabolites. These secondary metabolites are very important when it comes to improving the skin microbiome. They enable important microorganism functions such as protection, competition, and species interactions. In cosmetic products, these secondary metabolites serve for different areas of action and make our ferments so effective.
So, Ms. Spohr, you promote parabiotics and postbiotics as the next level of biotics. Can you please explain to us what parabiotics and postbiotics are?
It's a very interesting question. Let me try to explain. Parabiotics and postbiotics are the new concepts of future cosmetics. However, in many cases, the term postbiotics are used for the whole class of parabiotics and postbiotics. Postbiotics are the complex mixture of metabolic products secreted by probiotics in cell-free overhangs, such as enzymes, secreted proteins, short-chain fatty acids, vitamins, secreted biosurfactants, amino acids, peptides, organic acids, etc. Paraprobiotics are the non-viable microbial cells of probiotics, either intact or broken. They contain cell components such as teichoic acids, peptidoglycans, sulfate proteins, or crude cell extracts with its complex composition. The various beneficial activity properties of prebiotics and postbiotics include anti-inflammatory, barrier properties, anti-hedonation, anti-biofilm, antiviral, antioxidant, and other properties. Prebiotic and postbiotic molecules can improve host health by modulating the host. woresan ingredients contain both prebiotic non-viable microbial cells as well as the postbiotic mixture of metabolites. These para and postbiotic properties are completed by the strong prebiotic environmental conditioning properties. woresan combines these three approaches and has thus taken the postbiotic area to the next level of development.
What claims do you make for those ingredient complex?
This active ingredient complex helps to harmonize the skin flora and protects the skin from irritations. It supports the skin microbiome and helps to prevent blemished skin conditions. woresan ingredients are like skin food for the skin. The diverse single components in woresan products nourish the skin and improve the skin microbiome in a very natural way.
We have come to the end of our interview. Many thanks to Mrs. Spohr and woresan. We will certainly hear from you more often. Great to have you at our SOFW event.
Thank you so much for the interview and the interest in our products.